The Kremlin has expressed deep concern and, frankly, bewilderment over what it describes as provocative statements made by Airbus chairman regarding nuclear weapons. This escalation in rhetoric from a prominent figure in the European aerospace industry has sparked alarm in Moscow, prompting officials to question the motivations and potential implications of such pronouncements. The timing of these remarks is particularly sensitive, coming amidst already heightened tensions in Eastern Europe and ongoing international efforts to de-escalate the conflict. Analysts suggest the Kremlin's reaction underscores their heightened sensitivity to any perceived threat, real or imagined, especially concerning nuclear matters. Furthermore, there are increasing humanitarian concerns as the conflict continues, with displacement of civilians and disruption of essential services straining resources in neighboring countries and beyond. The broader regional implications of this situation are significant, potentially impacting trade relations, security alliances, and diplomatic efforts to find a peaceful resolution. VXN is closely monitoring the situation and will continue to provide updates as they develop. Thank you for listening. Please follow or subscribe to get more updates from VXN News.